I am Maggie. Welcome back to Dev and Maggie. Okay, so I am here with yet another haul. As you can see from the title, it's a Zara and Myntra haul. मैंने कुछ शॉपिंग करी है क्योंकि because it was sale season and also because I'm going to be getting married very soon. So it's just shopping time going on for me. मैं आपको जल्दी से दिखाना स्टार्ट करती हूँ मैंने क्या क्या लिया है.
Let's get started.
But एक second. Before starting, I just want to ask you guys if you have subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe ना flow में बोलना बड़ा मुश्किल सा हो जाता है. You know guys, मैं बता नहीं सकती कि आपका subscribe करना कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अगर आपने subscribe नहीं किया ना, so you will miss out on a lot of cute things in life. Like the first cutest thing would be me, जिसको आप miss करोगे. I think you should really subscribe to the channel. Jokes apart guys, let's just get into the haul quickly without wasting any time. Thank you for subscribing, by the way. I love you guys. By the way, this t-shirt that I am wearing is also from Zara, but ये मैंने अभी नहीं मंगाई. It's pretty old. I think I bought it last year, but yeah, I really love it. So I basically got two t-shirts. This is a leopard print one. I hope you can see it. Same one in this print. मुझे इसका कलर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है and I have never like I don't own anything in leopard print, so I wanted to try it कि कैसा लगता है. You know, if you don't overdo it then it can look really chic. These two t-shirts I got in size small. So basically the small size भी इसका काफ़ी oversized है, but that's what I love about it. इसका original price ही 590 है. I don't know if you can see. You can, right? So इसका original price ही 590 है. It was on sale for 390 I guess. और I really love these. They look so quirky. You know, you can pair them with jeans, with trousers, with shorts, with skirts, with like everything possible, and they just add the right amount of color to your outfit. That's what I love about it. Next I called for this shirt right here. This is a button down shirt. I'll insert a picture also. It has a beautiful collar and it has shoulder padding. That's what I loved about it and that's why I called for it. And इसका बहुत थोड़ा सा लूज टाइप का फिट है and the sleeves are also sort of balloon and I don't know if you can see it, but it's a pista light green sort of a color. The best part is the shoulder pads. You know, it really enhances your structure, like your body structure. Or if you're someone who don't have like broad shoulders, you know, you can get your hands on something with shoulder pads. Next I called for is this skirt. It is a beautiful green color, like it's not fluorescent, it's the right kind of green. बहुत प्यारा color है, ठीक है. And इसका stuff is like a mixed kind of stuff. I can't explain it. It's not cotton. और इसके यहाँ पे ये ruched type की detailing दे रखी है. ये strings को आप you can tighten them up and then there's a slit all the way going down. So it looks really sexy. And I love this skirt. Like I love the color of it. It can instantly brighten up any of your outfit. Got another skirt which is really pretty one. I have already wore it in one of my videos. If you have watched my Instagram, this is like a printed skirt or it is like ruched type of detailing इसमें पूरे में है, so it looks really sexy and it gives you a really nice fit. There's something जो ये थोड़ा सा high low type का effect दे रहा है. I really love the skirt too. This was originally priced for 2290, but I got it for, I'll just write it down here कितने की, but yeah. So इस बार की शॉपिंग का मेरा एक ही मोटिव था, just to shop for bright colors and just to shop for a lot of prints because they can really easily amp up your outfit. Prints like these or prints like these जो मैंने आपको t-shirts दिखाई है, even when you are not in mood and even when you don't want to put effort, they still can, you know, amp up your look. Then I call for this beautiful pink colors, Mickey Mouse sweatshirt. I love the color. I just love the color, guys. I just can't tell you how much I love this color, and I just can't wait to wear it. मेरा बस चले तो मैं इसे गर्मी में भी पहन के खड़ी हो जाऊँ. And imagine, guys, how cool will this combination look like? Imagine, guys, how cool will this combination look like? Stunning, like stunning is the word. So yeah, this is like a normal sweatshirt. अंदर इसके obviously वो जो फ्लीस वाला वार्म थिंग होता है वो है, एंड पॉकेट्स नहीं है, हुडी भी नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ नॉर्मल स्वेटशर्ट, बट आई लव द कलर एंड आई लव द प्रिंट. So this was originally priced for 1790 and I got it for just 990 rupees and I love it so much. पहले मुझे बहुत गर्मी लग रही थी इसलिए मैंने अपने बैंग्स पिन कर लिए थे, बट now I'm fine, so मैंने इन्हें वापस से खोल लिया है.
Because obviously मैंने इन्हें अभी कल परसों ही कट किया है, so I want to show it to you guys and I want to look cute and all, you know. Cute तो लग रहे हैं यार, cute ही तो लग रहे हैं.
Next I call for a denim jeans. I don't think यार इसके अंदर अच्छा ढंग से कलर दिख रहा है, but it's like a light blue color denim और पेपर बैग स्टाइल, हाई वेस्ट, पीछे से इलास्टिकेटेड है, ठीक है. नीचे से इसकी हेम जो नीचे वाले को क्या बोलते हैं यार, ये जो है ये ऐसे मुड़ा हुआ है, व्हाटएवर. की पॉकेट्स हैं इसमें, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग, एंड पीछे भी पॉकेट है इसके, विच इज़ अगेन अ वेरी गुड थिंग.
Denims में यार, this is the fit that I like the most and it is most comfortable. I don't know if it's flattering, but it is the most comfortable and yeah, that's what I like.
Oh, one second. This was originally priced at 2590 and I got it for जो भी है.
I don't remember obviously.
Next up are these two packets. दोनों में सेम चीजें हैं. एक हिमांशु के लिए है, एक देव के लिए है. It's a t-shirt. I loved it, so I got it. This is the t-shirt and this is how it looks like. I love the color combination, I love the color blocking that is happening here, and I love everything about this t-shirt. So yeah, I got one for Dev and one for Himanshu. We are done with Zara. Let's just move on to few things that I got from Myntra. Okay, so there are 4 things that I'm going to show you. मैंने और भी कुछ एथनिक चीज़ें मंगाई थी, बट आई विल शो देम इन लाइक अ सेपरेट हॉल जब मेरा और भी सामान आ जाएगा that I've called for. Next up is a blazer which is really bright. Here. What an unusual and pretty combination. Pink and red striped blazer. It is for summers, yeah. It is for summers and थोड़े बहुत जब सर्दियाँ शुरू होगी तब भी इसको पहन सकते हैं. It has 2 pockets on both the sides and it is not double breasted. It's a single breasted blazer.
Yeah, I love it because I love the colors. It is so pretty and it is so bright and I can't wait to wear it.
It was originally priced at 3299 and I got it for
यार कपड़े जो खुशी देते हैं ना वो कोई नहीं दे सकता. शॉपिंग जो खुशी देती है वो कोई नहीं दे सकता.
है ना. पता नहीं मैं इतना धीरे क्यों बोल रही हूँ. I don't even have a mic. You have seen these shots already. I wore it in like Under the Sky with Maggie wali picture में. If you haven't seen it and if you're not following me on Instagram, do it right now. Okay. Another one is this shorts. You guys know I am obsessed with wearing shorts. Like it is the one thing that I can wear for the rest of my life and be happy. Originally priced at 2000 and I got it for the material is kind of like this. I hope you can see. Okay, and it has a drawstring, elasticated waistband. It's a high waist short and it is not too short but it like comes at a perfect length. Actually जो मैंने अभी shorts पहनी हुई है ये उसी length की है. Like you can see. I hope you can. Yeah, so like the fit is almost the same and they look something like this. that's the story of my life, guys. I just
Almost broke my extension cord जिस पे चार्जर लगा हुआ था फोन के साथ, और फोन भी गिर सकता था. Too clumsy.
Okay, so next up is also a denim. It's a boyfriend fit. I know this time it's a boyfriend fit, and it's like a dark blue washed type of denim. You know, I actually don't like dark denims. Denim for me is like this color. You know, like a nice light blue color. But I don't own anything dark when it comes to denims. Or दूसरा, it was like really cheap. It was for 600-700 whatever. So yeah, I got it, and the fit is good. Like, so it's from like, it's a Myntra original brand called Here and Now, and
It was originally priced at $19.99. That was a lot. You can get a Zara denim in that price.
and with this we come to an end of this haul. Like this bright, colorful, cheerful, chirpy,
Blah 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 haul.
you know, I have shopped everything keeping in mind कि मैं उन चीज़ों को सर्दियों में भी पहन सकूँ, like the skirts and everything, you know, I can wear them with the knee-high boots so that I won't feel really cold, and you know, I can pair them with different sweatshirts and sweaters and jackets and whatever. So I have shopped everything keeping in mind that. I got a few lingerie pieces also, but you know, I'll do a separate haul on lingerie and like night suits and stuff like that. उसके लिए I'll do a separate haul जब सब कुछ आ जाएगा. And that's it. I just hope you enjoyed the haul and you liked the items. Any your favorite item from the haul? For the people who are married and who are seeing this, if you want to give me some tips on, you know, shopping for my trousseau, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the word. तो उसके लिए जो भी मैं shopping कर रही हूँ, if you want to give me some tips, so that will be really helpful in the comments. I will be like looking forward to the comments, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.